Most men don't achieve glass skin because they apply their products out of order or incorrectly. For you to achieve glass skin, you have to take care of your skin in the correct order. So today, I'm gonna show you my exact 7-step glass skin routine. Starting with step number 1, open your pores. When it comes to skincare, most men will just put on a face wash and start washing their face. This method is wrong, as it doesn't give your pores enough time to open up, making the face wash less effective. You need to open up your pores first, because if you don't get out all that dead skin cells and all that built up oil out of there first, you're always gonna have skin bumps. So here's the right way to do it. You're gonna wanna start by cutting a lemon into slices and place 2 slices into a bowl. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps clean your skin once your pores are open. Next, you're gonna wanna boil around a liter of water and pour that boiling water into the bowl. Then, you're gonna place a towel over the back of your head so that it drapes down over the sides of the bowl. You're gonna position your head directly over the bowl and create a personal steam bath for your face. The steam combined with the lemon slices will open your pores properly without causing any skin damage. Now, you can stop at this point in this video, and just by doing this, you're gonna see a massive improvement on your face within the next 24 hours. But if you really wanna achieve glass skin, you need to follow these next 6 steps in the exact order. Which takes us to step number 2. Stop washing your face with products that foam up. Face washes that produce a lot of foam can be satisfying because you can actually see the product working on your face. But this foam, it's not the best way to cleanse your skin and your pores. Washing your face is the next step in the glass skin routine, so it's crucial that you choose the right face wash. When it comes to cleansing your pores and washing your face, I need you to stay away from any face wash that contains acyl sulfates. Instead, you want to look for products that contain salicylic acid. For example, the salicylic acid face wash from Geology works well. It's the one I've used for years, and it's so good that it's won countless of grooming awards from some of the biggest publications in the world. In other words, the best of the best you can find. And this is because products that foam up, it's just a marketing trick to make you think that the product is working. But the ingredients used to create foam, like the acyl sulfate I mentioned, have been clinically proven to cause irritation and redness. You're gonna wanna take the face wash, put it on a facial scrubber, don't use your hands, and then apply it to your skin, which should be already wet because you just finished the steam bath. Now, you're gonna gently massage the product into your skin using circular motions working upwards. Now, the salicylic acid face wash from Geology is great because it also contains bergamot and juniper, 2 ingredients that have been proven to help clean the skin and make it smooth and shiny, almost like glass. If you guys want to check out what I believe to be the best face wash in the market, especially for the price point, I'm gonna have Geology linked down below. Now, by doing this, you've effectively opened your pores and cleaned them out correctly. This reduces the risk of clogged pores and acne. Most guys will now try to close their pores, but there's one crucial step you should take first before you do that. Moves on to step 3. You need to fix your skin with these 3 natural ingredients. Me focusing on balancing and evening out my skin tone is the best decision I've ever made because few guys ever focus on this. And now that your pores are open, is the best time to do it. I want you to just look at this before and after. My guy went from a 5 to a 7 just by evening out his skin tone. So here's how you're gonna achieve the same results before you close your pores. Start by placing 1 tablespoon of turmeric in a bowl. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is an active compound which has been proven to even skin tone color. Next, you're gonna wanna add 1 tablespoon of honey into that bowl. Honey has organic acids like gluconic acid that helps unclog pores and even skin texture. And finally, add half a teaspoon of Greek yogurt into the mixture, which contains alpha hydroxy acids, which promotes cell turnover and brightens complexion. You're gonna wanna mix the ingredients until you get a thick paste. You're then gonna apply it to your face and leave it on as a face mask for 5 minutes. Once it's done, then you will wash your face off with cold water, which will not only clear out the pores, but finally close them, as you have now evened your skin tone. What I recommend is do this mask only once a week, so I would probably do it Sunday night so you can have great skin complexion throughout the week. 4. Never do these 5 things when exfoliating your face. If you have dry and flaky skin, you absolutely need to be exfoliating, but only if you know how to do it right. To keep it simple for you, here's a quick list of do's and don'ts when it comes to exfoliating. Don't use a washcloth when exfoliating your body. Instead, use an exfoliating glove that's designed for this purpose. Don't rub your skin harshly from side to side. Instead, use gentle circular motion moving upwards. Don't exfoliate every day. Instead, stick to exfoliating 3 times a week. To make it easy, you can do it on the same day when you do the face mask, when you balance out your skin tone. don't use exfoliants that contain crushed walnut shells, as these create micro tears in the skin. Instead, choose a product that contains AHA acid, which will exfoliate the skin without damaging it. For example, the micro exfoliator from Geology contains AHA acid. It's one of the best you'll find, as it can remove all the dead skin and still leaves your skin hydrated and soft, which is what you want for glass skin. Again, Geology is the best skincare company for men when it comes to products, because they actually design products for your skin problems. If you guys want to check them out, there's a skin quiz down below which you can take, which will let you know what products you need for your specific skin type and skin problems that no other skincare company does. And what you can be rest assured is, when you buy the product, you know you're getting the best of the best. It's not only the same product your boy uses, it's the product that the biggest publications in the world are rating and saying these are the best products for men. And if you check them out and use the link down below, you're gonna get 70% off, which is an absolute steal, especially if you're a guy that truly wants to achieve glass skin. If that's you, click that link down below and check out Geology. Number 5, you're gonna shrink your pores with a tea-infused ice dunk. If you're anything like most men, you probably have large visible pores in your cheeks and in your nose area. Well, I'm here to tell you, there is a scientific way to reduce the size of your visible pores. I want you to pour around 500 milliliters of cold water into a big bowl. I want you to then add a few handfuls of ice so the water gets really cold. Then, depending on your skin type, you're gonna place specific tea bags into that bowl. If you have oily skin, I want you to place green tea bags. This has natural astringent properties that can help reduce the excess oil and shrink your pores. If you have dry skin, I want you to use chamomile tea bags, as this contains compounds like bisabolol, which can help hydrate your dry skin. Now, if you have balanced skin, I want you to use rose tea bags, as this will offer a balanced mix of anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties, so your skin looks great as you're shrinking your pores. Once you've added the tea, all you gotta do is submerge your face for around 15 seconds. I want you to repeat this process 2 more times, as this is gonna shrink your pores, stimulate blood flow, and reduce any redness or puffiness, getting you closer to glass skin. Now, by now, you've opened your pores with a lemon steam bath. We've cleaned out those pores correctly with a salicylic acid face wash. You then kept the pores open and balanced your skin tone color so your complexion was brighter with a honey face mask. You then exfoliated your skin correctly to get all the dirt out, and now have done an ice bath on your face to shrink all visible pores. Your skin is looking borderline perfect at this point, but if you really want glass skin, you're gonna need these last 2 steps of the routine. Step number 6, I need you to hydrate your skin with the right product at the right time. The key to glass skin is moisturizing, but how you apply it completely depends on your skin type. And this is not just my opinion, this is backed by science. In a study published in the National Library of Medicine, researchers had different groups of people apply their moisturizer at varying doses, frequencies, and times of washing. They then compared all the results to see what worked best, and they found that it largely depended on skin type. For those patients that have oily or balanced skin, moisturizing just once a day within 5 minutes of showering or bathing was enough. Applying more frequently actually ended up reducing the skin's natural oils, which are necessary for hydration. However, for those of guys with dry skin, moisturizing twice a day was necessary, and it didn't matter when they moisturized after they bathed. Number 7, protect your skin the Korean way. I'm gonna show you 5 Korean skincare techniques that completely changed my skin and are free. You can start doing them now. You can use every skincare technique and high quality product in the world. You can even use this exact routine. But if you don't protect your skin, you're never gonna get a glassy appearance. So here are the 5 best Korean protection techniques. First, make sure to keep the toothpaste away from the area around your mouth as you're brushing your teeth, as some of the ingredients in your toothpaste, like synthetic surfactants, can cause acne. Second, place a soft towel over your pillow right before you go to sleep to protect your skin from the pillow's fabric and any bacteria left over from the night before. Third, lightly pat your face dry instead of rubbing it every time you dry your skin. Fourth, never wash your face with hot water that's producing steam. Stick to lukewarm water to prevent dryness and damage. And fifth, never use the same towel more than once to prevent any transferring of bacteria. If you do this, you will never have an acne breakout again because you are protecting your skin. And if you combine it with the 6 previous steps, your skin will look flawless and you'll finally achieve glass skin.